Hi guys, today I am going to teach student management system using C#. How to make the student management system project using C#. In this project containing login form and main form and student management system form. Right. I already opened the C#.NET form. Now I am going to design the form. First, go to the toolbox and click the tool label. First, I am going to design the login form, so I need two label controls. So, double click and double click. If you double click, you can get the label control into your form. After that, you need two text boxes. Select the text boxes from the toolbox and double click the text boxes and double click and get it into your form. First you arrange them. After that you go and change the name of the label control. Click the label 1 and right click and properties. If you click properties, the links goes to the properties window. Over here, you have to change the name. I'm going to change the name here, user name. Click it. After that, I'm going to change the password also. So, I'm going to change the password as the same. Here we need little bit space over here, so leave a space here. It's perfect. Press enter key, hit apply. Now I want to reduce the size of the form. You just click on the form and you can get the anchor points over here. You just click the anchor point and you can reduce the size of the form. Isn't it? Now I am going to style the form. First click the form. Fifth, click the form. You can get the property over here. You can style the form. There is a property. Form border style. It's coming sizable. You have to change the form style you need, form border style you need. You can, if you give single, it's look like this. If you select as none, it's nothing appearing on the at the top of the form. It's blank. If you see, there are so many styles, you can select and see button. Okay, I'll select as none. It look nice. Now I need two buttons. One is the login, another one is the cancel. So double click and get into your form. Button 1. Right click and change the name as login. I need another button. So which name is cancel. I'm going to name as cancel. In front of the cancel, you have to put @ sorry, answer. Here also you have to put &. You can get a nice underline. Over here you can see. Okay. If you have any photos, you can put it here. Some security photo like that, you can put it here. Currently I don't have any photos, so that I leave it as a blank. Right. Now I am going to put this control into the group box. It look great, look nice. So find the group box in this text box, in this toolbox. Here this is the group box. To double click and get into your form. So to just keep here and select the controls and control plus X to cut it and place the group box where you want and paste it. Now it's look great. You have to change the name of the group box here, text. You just right click and properties, you get the text over here. You have to give the name as login. Now let me run this and see how to look like the login form. Here is a login form. It is not coming into the center. If you want to align into the center, stop and select the form and go to the property window. Here there is a property start position. You have to set the start position center screen and run the application. Your form is coming to the center point over here. Now you can see your document in your at the center. Now we go to the coding view. Now I am going to, if the username and password correct, it will log in and go to the main form. If the username and password not correct, throw some errors like invalid username and password. Let me see how to do this task. Double click the login button. You can, the links goes to the coding view. This is the coding part. This is the design part. Now so far we did the design part. Now we are moving to the coding part. So double click the button and moving to the coding part. Once you click the login button, button. Once you click the cancel button, button. Okay, this is the meaning of the clicking event. If you click the login button, button. If you click the cancel button, button. Okay, first let me see the login button. Once you click the login button, button. Okay, first you have to create two variables and equal to these text boxes. What is the name of the text box? Text box 1. Click and see what is the name of the text box 2. Here this is the name, text box. You can see the name here over here. What is the name here? You can see text box 2. Okay. Now first I am going to create two string variables and equal to the text box. String user name comma password. Now user name, you first user, if you write two letters, you can get the property over here, username equal to textbox1 dot text. After that, password equal textbox2 dot text. I created two string variables and equal into the text box both. Now I am going to validate the, if the username, I am going to validate something. If the username and password correct, it will log in successfully, otherwise login failure. So first we have to write the conditions. So when you going to write the condition, you have to put if. You start with if and double bracket. Within the double bracket, you have to write the code. You have to write the variables. These are called variables. Text box 1. Let me comment this. When user enter something else here over in this text box, this is called as text box 1. It is putting into the variable which name is username. Where you write text box 2, this is called as text box 2. It is put into the variable which name is password. First we check what happened. If username double equal, you put whatever username you want. Let me put ABC. This is my username, and password equal 1 2 3. That's it. This is meaning by AND operator. AND operator mean if both conditions should be matched, it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. Let me try. Check it. If the username and password both correct, we have to display the message login successful. Message box dot show. Within the message box show, we have to put the message login success. Otherwise, mean else, message box dot show login fail. That's it. Let me run this application. If you enter something else here, like BCCC or some BDT, or enter some password here, click login fail. Okay, now you have to write again A, B, C and 1 2 3 login success. Okay, this is small application. Okay, this is a small application.